Hi everyone, my name is Paul from Flow Mobile Surveying, and today I'd like to show you a small but very powerful navigation feature on our survey reports. And this is going to help both you and your clients to quickly and easily navigate to important sections of the report. And it will also mean that the printed survey reports will be easy to understand and to navigate as well. So without further ado, let me get stuck in and show you exactly what I mean. So I've already got this report set up, which I use for demonstration purposes. Now, typically when the surveyor is ready to do their quality control checks, or when they're ready to print the report and send it to a client, they can tap the View Report button here. So as you can see, we are presented with this smart looking report. We've got this nice looking cover page. We've got some information about the report type as well. So this is an asbestos management report, therefore the title reflects that. But the section I'd like to draw your attention to is the table of contents right here. Now, our report automatically adds these quick links on the right hand side, as you can see. And this allows us to very quickly and easily skip to that section. For example, if I want to view the summary of asbestos containing materials, I'll just click on it here. Now, it's very useful to have the summary at the top of the page, showing the important information. It means that if a client is on site or reading the report, they can very quickly get access to the most important information. So this is just showing us a very small amount of information about each item surveyed. But of course, there's more detail available further down within the report. And when we're doing the quality control process, or when the client is reviewing the document, they may want to skip to that section. So again, we can use the View button here to quickly and easily navigate to that specific item in this material inspection sheet. So now we can see the images that the surveyor has uploaded from site, including the type of asbestos, the extent, any scoring information, and other things of that nature. So that's very useful when the surveyor is coming to do their quality control checks, or when they're just generally reviewing the report. But of course, when the document is printed, we need to take a different approach. There would be no sense in having the word view on a printed report. It wouldn't make sense in that context. Therefore, we take a different approach, which I'm going to show you now. So let me just download the report, which will create the PDF. This just takes a few seconds as it does its work in the background. And if I open up the report, you can see it looks very similar to what we had before. However, our system has now added the page breaks, and you see these gaps between the documents themselves. And if I scroll back down to the table of contents like we had before, you can see that it's also added these page numbers as well. So because this is a PDF just being shown in the browser, I can still navigate to that section using these links. But of course, when the document is printed, you wouldn't be able to do that. So the page numbers are very useful. It just means that the surveyor can riffle through the pages until they find the section they're interested in, because our documents have also added the page numbers at the bottom here. So just like before, if I view this packing to fireplace item, it takes me straight to the material assessment sheet as before, but this time it's got the page number as well. So this is a small but useful feature that we think is going to make it much more accessible for you to use these documents, and your clients hopefully will have a more enjoyable experience when they are reading the printed documents. So I hope that was informative, and if you'd like to find out more about our product, please get in touch.